Hi everyone, I am back with another video. I am starting off with 8-inch cake rounds with my vanilla buttercream recipe. I will leave the recipe for my buttercream in the description box below. I just want to make sure that my cakes are leveled and even so that when I start with my piping, I don't get uneven edges from the ruffles. And onto the crumb coat, and this will cover any of my cakes when I am piping on my ruffles. I'm going to place this in the freezer for about 10 minutes just for it to set, and then we can start on the piping. For the bottom ruffles, I am using the 125 tip. And I'm going in an up and down motion to get the ruffles. I'm also using the Wilton Color Bright Pink to get the color. And on to the second color. This is the Wilton Tip 104 that I am using, with just a lighter shade of pink. I wanted to go for the faded ombre look for this cake. I thought that'd be cute. With the final ruffles, I am using a 102 tip, and this is just the regular white buttercream color. And it's just the same motion that I am doing with both of my other colors. I do want to mention that with these tips I am making sure that the skinny tip is facing towards me and the fatter tip is towards the cake to get the ruffle look. And I'm just repeating the process with the top of my cake, starting with the white and ending with the darkest shade of pink. And this is it, guys. This is what my cake looks like. Hopefully you guys like my video today. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.